welcome back to my channel. So today the video is going to be about on this makeup look for this festive season. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'm preparing my skin by using a face mist, that is Vayam face mist. I will give you all the product details which I am using in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. And then I am using Nivea soft cream moisturizer to moisturize my face and neck too. Don't forget your neck, as I will say always. And I have created a makeup look before also, so don't forget to check that video. I will give the link in the description box. Today we are going to do our eye makeup first. For that I am using a sellotape for the precise application. And first I am concealing my eyes with the help of a concealer. I am using Darling Isabella concealer, and I will just blend it out with the help of using a damp sponge. Then I will set my concealer with the help of a loose powder, that is I am using Lakme loose powder. Then I am taking Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I am taking the light brown shade too, and I will apply all over my eyelid area. Then I will take the Nykaa eyeshadow palette, and from that the dark chocolate shade I will apply it on my inner corner, and then take it into the crease and intensify the crease with the same color like I am showing in the video. It is a super simple look you can create for this festive season, and it goes with every outfit you can wear. So I am taking the loose glitter in the shade it is a chocolate color glitter. And for applying glitter you need a eyelash glue or anything like that, but I am using here concealer and a flat shaded brush, and I am applying the concealer from inner corner to the middle of the eye, wherever I want to put my glitter to stick on. Then I am taking with the help of the pencil brush, I will apply glitter all over my eyelid wherever I have placed the concealer. Without setting the concealer, apply the glitter. And this is a copper color brownish glitter, chocolatey glitter, which gives a great festive look to your eyes. So this is the look, and now I am going to intensify the crease again without touching the glitter particles. Make sure you are not touching your glitter area. Just blend the excess to look the edges clean. Yeah, sorry. Then I am using eyeliner. Don't worry, after removing the tape, it is gonna be look good. So for mascara I am using Blue Heaven Ka mascara. It's a good mascara actually. Then it's time to remove the tape. So this is the look you will get. So any fallout, make sure you are using a tissue to clean it up. So it's time for base makeup. For this I am using Blue Heaven Ka primer. It's a silicone based primer, and I will apply it all over my face. Then I'm using color corrector. It's a peach color corrector from Nykaa. I have a great detailed review on this concealer. Please go and check that video out, or I will give the links in the description box. Then I'm using Nykaa Skin Genius foundation, and in the shade I don't remember. I will give you the links in the description box, and I will blend it out all over my face with the help of a damp sponge. Then it's time for concealer. For concealer I am using Maybelline Ka Fit Me concealer, and I am going to set it out with the help of a powder all over my face and the concealed area too. Then again I am taking the light brown shade which I have applied on the eyelid, and I am contouring my face. It worked great as a contour, the color for my skin tone, I say. Then for blush I am using a sugar pink pinnacle blush. Then for highlighter, I'm using Makeup Revolution का Fierce Mind eyeshadow palette. I'm taking the gold color highlighter shade and applying on my cheekbones, a little bit on the nose and eyebrow bone, and forehead and chin, and cupid's bow too. Then I'm taking the same chocolate brown shade and I'm applying it in my lower lash line area, like I'm showing in the video. So that's it, that's a final look, and I have applied I have done my eyebrows and eyelashes offline, and I will use the same highlighter to highlight my inner corners after changing my outfit. So for lipstick, I'm using Lakme Lip and Cheek Mousse lipstick in the shade Crimson Silk. It's a beautiful reddish pink color shade. It looks so beautiful on witty skin tones. And then I am lining my lips with the help of a red color lip liner from the brand called ADS. And I'm applying a little bindi, small bindi to complete the look, to complete the festive look. So this is my final look, guys. So that's all for today, honeys. Hope you like this video and hope it is helpful. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. And thank you so much for watching, honeys. Let's meet in my next videos. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.